Today is the day we are officially married. Fernanda, I vow to always put you first. I vow to always fight for you in our relationship because you are my heart and my home and everything I've dreamt of. Even though you're the most stubborn, pain in the butt person I've ever met, loving you has been the best thing to happen to me, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Hey Stinky, I can't believe after 2 years of planning, most of which you were gone for, we're finally here. Not only are we here celebrating our love in the place you asked me out in, for the third time I might add, but we now also have our baby girl on the way. You've been the most amazing husband. I couldn't imagine doing life with anyone but you. And in each lifetime, I hope I find you over and over, Stink. I love you.
With this ring, I've chosen you. I've chosen to love you. Commit my life to being your husband and the father to our future family. Through sickness and health, or rich or poor, I've chosen to always choose you and be there right or with you, wherever this life takes us.
Clayton and I have chosen to always stand beside you, support you and love you through sickness and health, whether we're rich or we're poor. Chosen to always stand there with you wherever this life takes us.
Clayton, Fernanda, I'm so proud of you both. I thank you for allowing me to do this, and I pray for a long, happy, and blessed marriage for the two of you. I love you both. You may kiss your bride.
Very proud of them too. I just like to thank you for being our family now. And thanks to the newlyweds.
Thank you, David and Anita, for raising this wonderful young man that we have today. Muchas gracias a Anita y a David por haber creado este hombre tan maravilloso que tenemos el día de hoy a la par. Fernie, although we officially all share different last names now, today, when we're old and gray, you will always be my baby. Thank you for everything you've taught me and held me through as my baby sister. I only pray we come back together in every life as sisters.
Clayton went through a lot of hard times at 372, and he always kept his head up high. And he's a fighter, you know. He's a tough dude, you know. He's a real one. He's a solid guy. And I know for a fact that Fernanda is gonna have a solid foundation in their household because of Clayton. He is gonna be her rock. He's a great guy, and he's gonna hold it down for her. And I just wanna say, you know, I'm really proud of them, and you know, I love these guys, and you know, thank you for having us. Thank you. I love you. All right.